Let's be honest, every year the internet explodes with the same debate, iPhone or Android. But here's the thing, people who switch to iPhone rarely ever go back. Why? It's not just about the logo or the hype. There's something deeper, something that makes the iPhone the long-term, smarter choice. Today, I'm breaking down 3 powerful reasons why the iPhone stands above the rest, not just in features, but in longevity, experience, and ecosystem. Stay till the end, because reason number 3 might change how you think about tech forever. First, the Apple ecosystem. You've probably heard that word 100 times, but let's unpack what it really means. It's not just that your AirPods connect instantly or that your messages sync across devices. It's the feeling of having your entire digital life connected, effortlessly. You take a photo on your iPhone, it's already on your Mac. You copy a link on your iPad, paste it on your MacBook like magic. That level of integration doesn't just make things convenient, it saves mental energy. You don't have to think about it, you just flow. Meanwhile, on Android, you might find great individual devices, but try making your Samsung phone talk to your Windows PC like that. Yeah, good luck. And here's the real kicker. This ecosystem isn't just about comfort, it's about time. The more invested you are, the smoother your workflow becomes. Apple isn't selling devices, they're selling seamless living. Second, longevity. Here's something crazy. An iPhone from 2018 can still hold its own today. You can't say that about most Androids from 5 years ago. Apple designs its hardware and software together. That means every pixel, every process, and every battery cycle is optimized for the long run. You're not just buying a phone, you're buying a 5 to 6 year experience. And let's not forget updates. iPhones get consistent iOS support for nearly a decade. With Androids, you're lucky if you get 3 years, and that's if your manufacturer remembers you exist. Finally, user experience. Apple's design philosophy is simple. Make technology feel invisible. The iPhone doesn't overwhelm you with features. It quietly enhances your life. From haptic feedback that feels intentional to camera software that turns amateurs into creators. Everything is engineered for ease and flow. And yes, other phones might have higher specs on paper. More megapixels, more RAM, but what's the point of power if it doesn't translate to experience? Apple focuses on how things feel. That's why the iPhone camera just works. That's why Face ID unlocks before you even think about it. That's why you never have to dig through 12 settings to make your phone usable. It's not about being fancy. It's about removing friction. So, when people say iPhones are overpriced, maybe they're missing the bigger picture. The iPhone isn't just a device. It's a long-term investment in simplicity, reliability, and connection. And that's why, years down the line, iPhone users are still smiling, while everyone else is searching for a charger, an update, or a reason to stay loyal. Beat. If you found this helpful, tap that like button, share this with a friend who's still Team Android, and subscribe, because we've got more deep tech breakdowns coming your way.